Hello everyone. So after last video, most of you were asking like what VPS I was using to reduce the latency to EA server, and few of you were having trouble in finding some VPS near London. So in today's video, I'll walk you through what I did and what VPS I use to reduce the latency to EA server. So let's get started. So the VPS which I used was from AWS. So you can create a free account in AWS, but it needs your credit or debit card. Creating account is like pretty straightforward. So all you need to do is go to aws.amazon.com. So from here you can click on create an AWS account and you just need to fill up these things. Okay, so there are 5 steps. First it will ask for your email, then it will ask for your address, phone numbers, and then it finally it will ask for your credit or debit card, and it will do a minor transaction to verify the card is valid or not. So once you create an account, since I already created account, I'm not going to go through this sign up process. So once you create an account, you'll ideally end up in the dashboard page. Okay, so here what you need to do is make sure your location is London, because EA servers are located near London. So make sure your location is London as well. So once you choose the location, in services you can search for EC2. Okay, and then click on this one. And one more thing is, for the first 12 months from the time you create the account, you will get 750 hours of EC2 free per month. Okay, be it Linux or Windows, you will get free per month. There are certain VPS which will be coming under this free tier eligible, that I will show you when we create the VPS. So like 750 hours is 31, almost 31 days. Okay, so you can use this VPS for completely free for the first 12 months. After that, you can either create a new account so that you can get another 12 months of free time, or you can pay and start using it. So it's completely up to you. And now let's get started. So like as I told you, here you need to search for EC2, which will take you to this page. So now what you need to do is you have to click on launch instances. Okay, and from here click on free tier only, so you will get all the free tiers VPS. And here what you can do is, based on your OS preferences, so whichever OS you are comfortable with, you can choose that one. If you want to use Linux, you can use this one. So I am going to go ahead with Windows. And even here make sure to click on this free tier only, then go in configure instance. You can leave everything as is. In add storage, for free tier, right, we will get 30 GB hard disk, which should be more than enough for us because we are just going to install a browser, right? Add tags, I mean, if you are going to have multiple VPS, adding tag will help you distinguish it. So for our case, I'm going to leave as is. Okay, and here, if you want to add a few more security to our VPS, what you can do is you can give only my IP. So you will be able to connect to this VPS only from your IP. Okay. So for now, I'm going to give as 0.00, so anyone can connect, because I'm going to delete this VPS anyways after this video. So even here, that's what it is saying. It is open to worldwide. If you want, you can restrict it. Okay. So once everything is done, just click on launch. So here, click on create a new pair. Okay, and you can give some pairs name. I will give test pair, and then download this key pair, and make sure to keep this key pair safely, because each time you need to connect to this VPS, you need this file to decrypt the password. Okay, so keep it somewhere safe. Now let me launch the instance. Our instance is being launched. It might take a few minutes. I'll pause the video here, and once it is done. So now if you see, my instance state is running, so that I'll be able to connect to this instance now. So click on this link. So if this connect is disabled, all you need to do is refresh the page so that the connect will be enabled. Click on this connect. Okay, and go to RDP client and click on download remote desktop file. Okay, and this is where you need the file which you previously downloaded. So for get password, click on this and browse the file which we downloaded, testpad.pem. Okay, and then click on decrypt password. So this is the password to connect to my VPS. So let me click on the RDP file which I downloaded. So your password you can get it from this one. Okay, copy it, paste it here, and then you can give remember me. Don't ask again, and yes. So now our VPS is ready. So it may take additional few minutes to fully set it up. Okay. So now this VPS is located near London. Okay. So if I open the command prompt and then try to ping EA server, you see I have around 3 milliseconds delay. Okay. If I try the same thing from my local, see I have around 133 millisecond. From VPS it's better. Okay, and this actually toggles between 1 millisecond to 3 milliseconds. Okay, so like you can get 1 millisecond also sometimes. Now I'm getting 3 milliseconds. On average, you'll get something somewhere between 1 to 3 milliseconds using this London VPS. Okay, so now to install Chrome, install Chrome or Firefox based on your preference. You can install the browser you need. So like instead of using this inbuilt Internet Explorer, what I would say is download the Chrome from your, so you'll have this Chrome setup or Firefox setup, whatever it is. You copy it and then paste it here. Okay. So using this IE might be a bit of trouble. You have to enable downloading options and stuff. Okay. So it's better to download from the host computer and paste the setup here. So just to open the wrong application. So now click on the Chrome setup. From here on, it's just straightforward. You just need to install the Chrome and then navigate to my repo and install the auto buyer. Okay. So this is what I wanted to cover in today's video. So for those who don't know how to configure a VPS or don't know where to purchase a VPS, I think this video might be helpful to you. If you have any doubts, please leave that in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.